Hi, I'm Emmy.
Hi, I'm Gracie.
Hi, I'm Connor.
I'm Chewy. So today our group project is hotel sustainability.
Our group is studying the sustainability in hotels and are focusing on water and energy usage. As time progresses, hotel sustainability is becoming more and more relevant. The main focus of this issue is related to social, environmental, and economic impacts, as well as the hotel development and operations. In this context, sustainability is described as means of conducting activities to meet the needs of society while preserving the environment for future generations. The corporate social responsibility is that sustainability is expected and relevant when making decisions based on business objectives, while trying to maximize profits and achieve social goals.
Guest water usage has long been a major problem in the hospitality industry. This is why hotels have implemented dual flush toilets. This has been an important part of the hospitality industry over the past 20 years because, depending on the size of the tank, it will reduce water consumption by 20 to 80%. This is important because guests contribute 60% to the hotel's total water usage. These major contributors include guest rooms, pools, and laundry, leaving faucets running. This can be improved with wash basins with sensors and energy-efficient shower heads.
Hotels that offer laundry services are big water consumers. The biggest driver in water usage are due to laundry attendants not fully loading their washers. The reason why this is an issue is because of the standardized laundry settings. If the washer isn't fully loaded to capacity, there's an excess of water being used for the load size. Not only does this mean using more water than needed, but also results in more loads needed overall. The housekeeping department is also responsible for cleaning certain types of glassware. Most times, the dishwasher is run more than needed to get a clean finish, running it as much as 3 or 4 times when only 1 to 2 are necessary. In effort to reduce this, Bill Brooks, National Sales Manager for Industrial Laundry Distributor, recommends that hotels start separating their laundry further. He recommends that 2 loads for towels are to be used, one for lightly soiled towels and one for heavily soiled towels. The logic behind this is that there's no need to do an aggressive wash on lightly soiled towels. Sarah Fetters, HR manager from Willows Lodge, was interviewed on her hotel's take on sustainability. The hotel's vision is to create high-impact sustainability projects for low costs. Sarah stated that sustainability has transitioned from being trendy to being expected. Because of this, Benchmark has left a significant amount of money in their budget, specifically for funding sustainability projects. One project currently being worked on by the advisory committee is their movement towards removing bottled water in guest rooms and to providing reusable bottles and installing water stations. The first step they took was transitioning from bottled water to boxed water. Installing water stations will reduce water consumption, allowing guests only to take what they need. Additionally, smaller things that the hotel does to reduce energy consumption is shutting down rooms in times of low occupancy. Occupied rooms' thermostats are turned down and the lights are completely shut off. If the occupancy is low enough, they shut down the heating and lights to one of the buildings completely and close it off.
Energy consumption among guests has been a major concern for sustainability among hotels. Energy management systems, or EMS, have improved, utilizing sensors and controls to adjust HVA, lighting, and other systems based on room occupancy status of a guest. Main ideas include on how hotels can improve, integrating energy management systems to thermostats, TVs, and lights in hotels. Guests are a major contributor to this, so the sooner we educate them, the better the energy consumption in hotels will become.
We interviewed Mr. Filmora, who is general manager from DoubleTree by Hilton in Moscow. During the interview, he mentioned that Hilton has embraced sustainability because business depends on it. One way the Hilton reduced the amount of energy used is replacing incandescent lights with LED lights. The change drastically reduced the amount of electricity needed, especially because hotels have high electrical demand 24 hours per day. The long lifespan of LED lights cuts down labor costs of replacing bulbs, while also reducing waste. This small sustainability project can have a major effect on the company. Other projects are more complicated and expensive. Hotels are inclined to run sustainable projects to reduce impact on the environment and the cost of operations. In order to save more water and energy, Hilton gives guests the option to skip laundry service every day. If they decline service, housekeeping will still clean their room and restock missing products, and leave the towels and sheets unlaundried. This option provides the Hilton can save massive amounts of water, energy, and additionally save money on labor costs, which can be put back into sustainability projects. On the contrary, there have also been failed sustainability experienced by Mr. Filmora during his time at DoubleTree in Spokane. DoubleTree partnered with Vista Utilities to put in a fuel cell. This was supposed to generate power to producing extremely hot, ultra-clean water that could be used in the hotel. The goal is the product was effectively produce energy and clean hot water at a low cost. However, the product was very unreliable and was ultimately removed.
According to the hotel sustainability, the energy saving from laundry and housekeeping is also really necessary. The dryers have a larger capacity, which from 20 to 30%, and to skip the drying process and go straight to the press. In addition, lots of hotels running the Green Choice program, which means the guests have a choice to skip the housekeeping room service if they have to stay one more night. It helps to reusing the towels and the sheets and the laundry loading frequency. Even we can saving the labor works and the money on labor costs. So the Green Choice program can saving the massive amounts of the water and the energy. We got some data collecting from Western hotels and resorts, which is the water and the energy saving of making a green choice for only one night. The data shows the water saving for 49.2 gallons, which is 787 cups, enough for one person to drink 2 cups per day for 1 year, and the electricity saving for 0.19 kilowatt. That's enough to run an Energy Star rated laptop for 10 hours. We also can saving a lot of natural gas, which is enough energy to heat a 400 square foot room at 70 degrees for 4 hours when it's a 10 degree outside. Also, we can save a lot of chemicals for at least 7 ounces.
Our goals for energy use is that we want to make sure that there is a need for your services, whether that be a vacation spot, a desired convention area, a tourist spot, etc. You want to make sure you will always be in a desired location by your clients. The following graph shows the repartition of hotels' energy end users. Around 63% customers use room heating and hot water, 6% uses air conditioning, 4% uses lighting, TV, and radio, 11% uses the kitchen, 4% uses the laundry, 1% uses ventilation, and 11% uses something other. The goal in implementing sustainable methods is to reduce the hotel's carbon footprint on Earth, reduce waste materials and water usage by the hotel. Other methods include recycling and composting. These methods and techniques not only help the environment, but can reduce costs of the hotel.
Overall, the sustainability is now expanded in the hotel industry. The efforts to reduce energy and water have a huge impact. The gas consumption accounts for a large amount. The laundry and housekeeping are also a big drivers. Also, the older hotels have a more difficult transition into sustainability, which they reduce energy and the water is more crucial. The reasonably fast ROA, which is return on investment for making small process changes and the minimal investment. Also, the making sustainability project is be easy to implement with a big efficiency.
These are the references that we used.
What was the most important thing you all learned from this presentation today?